Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set method. Yay! That was not funny. So yeah, what the set method in the map does is adds or updates an element with a specified key and value to a map object. So what we're gonna do is create a var a map1 and a prototype for make a prototype of map. Now what we're gonna do is map1 dot set pass bar comma foo. Then what we're gonna do next is log it on a console and map1 dot get, use the get method to get that. So bar. So when we do that, it's gonna give you foo. So this is what it does. Its set is essential nothing but just add and updates the other elements with a specified key and value to a map object, just that. And if it's not present in that, what's gonna happen is say undefined. So hope you guys understand. That's for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.